Hello, my name is Julie Silk. I work for Keysight Technologies. We're the test and measurement portion of what was in Agilent Technologies, which was the test and measurement portion of Hewlett-Packard. So we have a very long history of electronics manufacturing, of test and measurement equipment, but we're a fairly new company, just 3 years old. My role in Keysight Technologies is twofold. I am the program manager for our environmental compliance for our RoS compliance, and also a manager of our material reliability program. So in that, I have been the liaison with INEMI organization, so I try to connect us up with the projects that are of interest to our company. When you get involved in the projects, you can determine what's included, what's not included, the direction, and the scope of it. So that allows it to more directly benefit us by covering the expectations and needs that we have. What we find is when we do a project on our own, we have limited resources, and it can cost quite a bit to do it exclusively by ourselves. So while we would have direct control over the scope of it, but it's very difficult for us to have the people with the bandwidth to do the work. There's some pieces of the work that we don't have capability for inside. So with the consortia project, you get the expertise of a huge group of people. There are a lot of companies that are part of INEMI, and the ones that participate in any project are often the experts in those companies in reliability, for instance. And you, for one, getting their expertise for that specific project, but also by participating in that project and attending the meetings and listening, you learn a lot about reliability, and that's been a great advantage. By participating in the projects, I'm able to, whoever's involved in it is able to generate relationships then with the others who have contributed to the projects, like the suppliers, other OEMs, and we can draw upon those relationships then when we have a technical problem, or if we have a need for something that, a material of some sort, we can get to the technical experts a lot faster than just going through the sales folks. So it's really an advantage in that respect, in that you get to develop a personal relationship with the participants in that project. They at least know who you are, you know who they are, and you know what they have been able to contribute, and you have a way to start that conversation.